Welcome again to Super Teacher channel. In this lesson we will complete 2.8 change decimals to and fractions to percents. If you didn't watch 2.8 part 1, please go back to my channel and check the lesson and watch it. It will be helpful for you for this lesson. So today we are going to do the inverse of what we did last time. So I'm going to change the decimal and the fraction to percent. Okay, let's start with the first question. Write each decimal or fraction as a percent. So we have now this decimal number 0.28. I'm going to change it to decimal. How I'm going to change it to decimal? I will do I'll put 28%. And that's it, because I'm going to take it outside. This is the inverse of what we did last time. Last time we let the point to enter twice to the left. Now we will take it outside to the right and it will be 28%. That's it. Done. Question 2, 2.1. This decimal, I want to change it to percent. As we did in the first question, I will write 2 and 1 here, and the inverse of what we did in the last lesson. We were taking the point to the left. Now we are going to take it 2 times to the right. So it will be 210%. That's it. Done. Question 3, 0.056. I want to change it to percent. As we did in the previous 2 questions, I will take the point 2 times to the right, so it will be 5.6%. Done. Question 4. Now this time we have a fraction. I want to change it to percent. I cannot change the fraction to percent unless I have in the denominator 100. So I'm going to change this to 100. How I'm going to change the denominator to 100? I will multiply by, I multiply by 2 here and by 2 here. Why? Because I want the denominator to be 100. So 50 times 2 is 100. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 1 is 2. So it's 26 over 100. So that means 26%. That's it. Question 5, 19 over 10. I want to change 19 over 10 to percent. As we did in the in question number 4, I have to make the denominator 100. So I'm going to multiply this time by 10 and this by 10. Why I multiplied by 10? Because 10 times 10 equals 100, and 19 times 10 equals 190. So it will be 190%. Done. Last question, 3 over 25. I will change it to percent. As we did in the previous 2 questions, that I have to make the denominator 100. So what times 25 equals 100? Yes, times 4, but I have to multiply denominator and the numerator by 4. So it will be 12 over 100. So I'm going to write it as a percent. It will be 12%. Done. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.